Good day, everyone. My name is Kamarais. So I'm here to give you one recipe for the pregnant woman, of which it's so safe and so effective. Very, very safe and effective. So now, the recipe is called safe delivery. So it is for the purpose of pregnant woman. So there is no more operation, no more. There is no more CS. So once you use this recipe, very, very safe and effective. Just buy this. This is a jute leaf. Just buy this. So once you buy this, as you can see it's on my screen, so once you buy it, so you are going to clean it very well. So after you clean it very well, then you are going to squeeze it inside the water. You are going to dip it and squeeze it very well. Then after that, you are going to drinking it. You'll be drinking it. But once your pregnant is getting to 9 months, that is when you are going to use it. There's no operation no more. Wish you best of luck and safe delivery. Good day, everyone. There's one recipe tí mo fẹ́ fún ẹ̀yin fans mi. Ó save gan, but olóyún lóyún, ìyẹn tó bá lóyún. Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ operation tẹ́ bá ti lò bí mo ṣe ní kẹ́ lò. Pẹ̀lú agbára Ọlọ́run, there's no more operation. So ẹ bá mi wá ewédú. Bí o àwọn Yorùbá ń pè ní ewé abíwẹ́rẹ́. Ó save gan. I mean, it's really, really safe. Wọ́n ń pè ní ewé abíwẹ́rẹ́. Normally, this is ewédú. Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀. So, but àwọn èèyàn tó máa ń pè ní ewé abíwẹ́rẹ́. So ẹ máa wá bá mi wá. Tẹ́ bá ti wá bá mi wá eléyìí, tẹ́ bá ti lè wá eléyìí fún mi. So ẹ máa wá ṣàn, ẹ máa ṣàn tá mọ́ dáadáa. Kẹ́ make sure pé ẹ ṣàn dáadáa. Ẹ tẹ̀ lè cut ìdí ẹ̀ gan. So that kó lè safe, ẹ máa ṣàn dáadáa. Ẹ máa gbó nínú omi. Ẹ máa make sure pé ẹ gbó dáadáa. Then ó máa yọ̀. Ẹ má bother pé ó ń yọ̀. Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ ó máa yọ̀ gan. Ó máa yọ̀. So ẹ gbé mu. So but tí oyún yẹn bá ti wọ 9 months, kẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa mú. Tí oyún yẹn bá ti lè wọ 9 months, kẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa mú. Ó safe gan. Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ ẹ máa bí ọmọ yẹn wẹ́rẹ́ pẹ̀lú agbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ fi ìbùkún sí. Ire o.